Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ashley. You know me as Strashme on Instagram, and today I'm going to be helping you guys navigate the new Baddie B synthetic plastic lash line. So you guys know our girl Jenny69 launched her own lash brand. It's called Baddie B Lashes, and it's been super successful. Everything about her lash line is so cute, from the packaging to the promo, even to the lashes themselves. I have on Baddie right now. As you can see, this is just kind of like a wispy, thin, just like IG Baddie lash. What I love about her lash line is like the whole line is inspired by like IG baddies or just everybody in her industry that she feels like is like popping. So I love that because she always shows love. So I believe the last launch that she did, which was like the start off of her brand, were all natural hair lashes. So a lot of people find those luxury. However, they weren't vegan. So she actually came out with a synthetic brand, which is really cool. So I believe synthetic is like plastic, and she was kind enough to send me the full line. I really want to show you guys what each style looks like in comparison with my faves, which is the baddies. So I'm gonna try on all of the new styles on this eye, and then you can see a comparison from like the old most popular style to like all of the new ones. I'll be doing a mini application video so you guys can just see how you're supposed to put the lashes on. I'm using a lash tool and then my favorite Duo glue. I only use the one with the wand. It's like my absolute favorite. And the cool thing about Duo is I believe they have a latex-free option, so that's really nice for people with allergies. So I'm really excited. I haven't tried on any of the lashes yet. I've been waiting to make a video, so I'm going to jump right in. So this is the PR box, really cute, and I'm just gonna be going through each lash style. So she launched 3 brand new styles: Baby Doll, Snob, and Plastic. So this is Plastic. This is what it looks like, so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my lashes to fit them most comfortably so you guys can put these on the right way. So this is what the material looks like. And then I'm gonna show you like the lift it's giving. Look how thin this lash band is. A good thin lash band is like the only thing that makes a lash comfortable. Make sure that when you get a pair of eyelashes, especially if they're brand new, that you are measuring it to your actual eye shape. I think a lot of the times people just want to stick it on as the standard length, and then they find that it's really uncomfortable. It should not poke you or like bend at all when your eyes are closed, and if it does, it means your lash is too long. For me, I already know I have to cut off like 1 or 2 wispies on the ends there. You want to take the eyelash, you actually want to put the glue on the back of the eyelash, like directly on the back of it. So not underneath. If it gets under there, that's fine, but you want to put it on the back of the lash band so that when you put it on your eye, you can just stick it straight on and you're not having to like include any bonding of like your actual eyelashes. You want to take an eyelash applicator. A lot of the times tweezers work, or even your fingers. I do let the glue get a little bit tacky, so not dry, but you don't want it to be super wet or else it'll make your eye water. It could get into your eye and like make it, you know, you could cry or whatever. So, and then as we place it onto the eye, I always go straight into like the little lip between my lid and the actual lash. There's like a little like bump. So you want to stick the lash like in there. That's why you want the glue on the back of the band. So then just like a little airplane, like meow, and then stick, okay? Another thing that's helped me too is like I actually like to kind of bend my wrist, and then I place like the corner where I want the corner, and then I almost like drag it out. Typically if the glue is dry enough, it'll like grip right there, and then you can like get a really flush application, meaning like the lash band is like hooked into your eyelids, so it's like not uncomfortable and it's not gonna come off. Boom. Dang, that was like way more perfect than I thought it was gonna be. And then I always like take the end of the lashes and then I like grip it and I like to push it in. Damn, these are so pretty. Okay, so this is Plastic. I'm like loving these. Lashes really be like, you know what I'm saying? Like if you don't have lashes, you just look kind of like a bald chicken, you know? Like a little, like you do your makeup and then like you don't put on lashes. It's kind of like, once you put on lashes, you know, once you like know how to put on some good lashes, you just never go back. You just never go back to being a basic bitch. So this is Plastic. Okay, so the next lash is called Snob. This is what they look like. These are already, like, you can tell they're more thick. They're gonna give a lot more definition. So I'm excited to see what this looks like on my eye. So this is the lift. Definitely has some fluff. This is the band. The band is really thin. Loving. This is already giving me like, fuck. Look at this. Okay, so right off the bat, way more definition. And this goes from shorter to longer, like a lot more dramatically. Ooh, this is definitely giving me like fluffy kitten. Like, this would be amazing with like a smoky eye, or if you have like rounder eyes and you want them to look more almond, this is definitely gonna be like that bitch. It has such a fan effect. It would definitely like TF out of an eye shape. Like, wow. It's so thick. Like, honestly, like I feel like I shouldn't even be wearing a cat eye with this. Like, I feel like this lash would give me enough definition. Like, I wouldn't need to put a cat eye on or like eyeliner. It's so thick and juicy. I mean, it's called Snob. Like, definitely makes me feel like, you can't sit with us, you know? This is Baby Doll. Ooh, okay, so these lashes seem a little bit more subtle. Okay, these are cute. So like, I thought they were gonna be a little bit more subtle than this, which isn't a bad thing. Like, I low-key, like, I don't really like subtle lashes like that. This is like subtle, but it still gives you that like lifted fluff. Like, it almost, like, the only difference between these lashes to me is like, this is more spaced out and there's like longer wispies, but this is like more full. It's a little bit shorter. So like, honestly, this gives like lash extension. And this gives like, I just paid like $200 to get my lashes done. These are so cute. I'm actually going to wear these ones out. Like, I have somewhere I want to be, but I'm about to change my lashes. Like, I'm about to put these ones on. Baby Doll, I think, might be my favorite. This is why you try new things, because you never know what the fuck might turn your world upside down. I really thought that these were gonna be my least favorite, and I'm about to put them on to go to where I was about to go. That's crazy. So I know Baddie B Lashes, like, from their old launch to this new one, is super high quality lashes. Like, you can see how jam-packed the lash band is with the actual little wispies. It's so thick and dense. Their customer service is like on point. I've never really heard anything negative about them. That's why I'd love to support them. They have so many different lash styles to choose from, and as you can see, they're always coming out with new styles. So you guys can use this code. There really is no other lash band that I'm wearing every single day right now. Like, Baddie B is really, like, I keep picking up their lashes. They just give a different type of lift. Like, it's just so high quality. And to be honest, there's so many overpriced lash brands out there. Like, I love that they keep their price point affordable, and it's by like an influencer, like somebody that's just like you and me, who's just like really honest and hardworking, and she's like doing her thing. So like, why not give her your money versus like some big ass corporation? Thanks so much for watching this lash try on / application tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll be answering comments all day long, so leave them in the comment section below. Make sure at checkout you use my code. If you've watched this all the way to the end, you must find me a little bit interesting, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. When you have the notifications on, I'll be doing some giveaways, so you guys might want to pay attention. Thanks so much for watching this video, you guys, and I will see you next time.